Mmm, that yummy coffee. Good morning, miners. How are you all doing, guys? It is your boy CryptoMykel here, coming today with a morning miners update, guys. How are you all doing? Hope you all had a fantastic weekend wherever you were. I was extremely busy this weekend. Like, so busy that I forgot to do a lot of, I had some content to record and I didn't get a chance to do it. So I 100% missed, last month's FLUXnode earnings. Now there's been like I think 3 payouts since then, so it's kind of murkied the waters on that one. So we'll hit on the next month update, which will be then around the 19th of the following month, which is May. Yeah, in May, we'll cover a 2-month time span for the FLUXnode updates. As well as I was working an event with the wife because she is a wedding planner. And we were just working. So just wanted to give a quick update and overview of some things that I got going on. Of course. So as you know, the FLUXnode is still up and running, the Nimbus node. Our next payout is actually in 15 hours currently. And the current estimated earnings of monthly for Nimbus nodes is, for our Nimbus nodes, about 47 USD according to this calculator and app for the nodes. So it's pretty cool. It's still running, it's still calculating. Total mine to date 975, total claim to date 933 as of the last snapshot. Usually every snapshot we will get all of the parallel assets at that time and just kind of grab everything all at once. There's currently 2 apps running on our node as it stands, which is actually pretty cool. And I'm actually currently also looking at running my own Fractus node, so we'll look into that coming up here really soon, actually. Also, as most of you may know, I ended up getting a Intel Arc A750. Now, that is pretty awesome, but I'm actually having a few issues with it. I'm assuming that it's actually motherboard related, because the motherboard that I'm using to test it on doesn't seem to register the card across any operating system whatsoever. I can't even... I do find it kind of weird that I've even tried to upload MMPOS onto it, and I can't even get MMPOS to actually like ever load. If I swap the card back to like an RX 580 or something like that, the rig will boot into MMPOS, HiveOS, Ubuntu, like all the above. But while the Intel card it never gets past BIOS. You'll see the screen flash, says MSI, and that's it. Now, granted, this motherboard is actually, it's probably now like 13, 14 years old. So I was asking for a lot, and I received very little. So that's kind of where we're sitting at with that. So I'm currently in the situation of trying to figure out what to do for a new test motherboard. Maybe testing out the new proof of useful work motherboard on it and see if I can get that to work up. I'm actually getting that kind of mocked up to a case currently and getting that situated for maybe further deployment of some of the cases that we actually have that are a bunch of spares that could house those motherboards, because there seems to be like no cases for them. There is a case, but they're all sold out. So pretty cool. That is some of the things that I've been kind of working with on over the weekend while I've had during my spare time, was getting that up and running. And yeah, that's really that's what we got. It was pretty quick update, guys. I just needed to quickly get some content out, and that way we can keep the schedule up at least somewhat and keep it rolling. So guys, if you have any thoughts and opinions on maybe why the Intel GPU doesn't support it on maybe an older motherboard, or give me some options. Would love to know what your thoughts are, what your opinions are, and we'll see you guys on Thursday, and we will hopefully be doing a live stream. And then on Friday, of course, we have FPGA Fridays. We'll give you a quick update of E300s and how they've been developing, and potential updates coming out for the E300s coming out actually very soon. So much love, guys. Hope you all have a fantastic rest of your day, and keep on mining, stay savage, and peace out. Yeah.